In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the voiceover cry in ElevenLabs. We'll start right from the ElevenLabs homepage. This is your control center where all the tools you need are neatly organized. Make sure you're on the main dashboard so you can quickly navigate to the feature we'll use. Next, head to text-to-speech. This is where you'll type your lines and generate the performance. Think of it as your studio booth inside the browser. Everything about the delivery, voice choice, pacing, and emotion will flow from here. Now, let's choose a voice designed for a tearful or melancholy read. Use the search bar and type the words sad or cry. ElevenLabs includes voices that are tuned for emotional delivery, and these keywords help surface them fast. You might notice that some voices are marked as unavailable on the free plan. That simply means they require a paid subscription. If a locked voice catches your ear, look for a similar alternative that's available to you. There's usually a close match you can start with. Take a moment to preview options. You want a tone that sounds vulnerable, slightly breathy and natural, not overly theatrical. With your voice selected, it's time to craft the script. For a crying performance, short lines work best. Break your thoughts into small fragments rather than long paragraphs. This gives the model room to breathe and creates space for emotion to land. Use frequent pauses by adding ellipses, 3 dots, to simulate choked words or a voice catching in the throat. For example, I'm trying, but it hurts. Notice how the brief phrases and the pauses slow everything down. Commas and dashes can help too, but ellipses are the most effective for a sobbing cadence. Keep sentences simple, and don't crowd them with too many ideas at once. Emotion reads clearest when each line carries a single feeling. If the delivery sounds too steady, add more short breaks. If it feels overdone, combine a couple of lines and remove a few dots. You can also vary the length of lines. Mix a single word with a slightly longer thought to create a natural ebb and flow. Once you've written a few lines, try them and listen back. Then lightly tweak the punctuation and line breaks until the voice sounds convincingly tearful without becoming cartoonish. That balance comes from pacing, not volume. And that's it. Homepage, text-to-speech, pick a sad or crying voice, then shape your script with short lines and deliberate pauses. Follow this flow and you'll get a moving, believable cry read in ElevenLabs.